Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes eggless at home. We'll start by looking at the basic ingredients you'll need, and then move on to the simple substitutions that make all the difference. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create light and fluffy pancakes without any eggs. Get ready to enjoy a fantastic breakfast that everyone can savor. The secret to eggless pancakes lies in clever substitutions. For each egg, you can use 1/4 cup of applesauce, which adds moisture and a subtle sweetness. Another great option is a mashed ripe banana, providing a lovely flavor and binding power. Alternatively, a mixture of 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water creates a fantastic flax egg that binds ingredients beautifully. Once you have your egg substitute ready, combine your wet and dry ingredients. Remember to mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. Heat your griddle to a medium temperature, adding a little oil or butter. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and bubbly. Now for the best part, serving your delicious eggless pancakes. Stack them high and top with maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. They're perfect for a weekend brunch or a quick weekday breakfast. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days. And hey, for easy meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.